What's up, motherfuckers? I just wanted to go over the status of my channel at the moment. So yeah, I'm just working on a video right now. It'll just be like a little weapon selector. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's not ready yet. I'm just getting the project set up and I'll upload it to GitHub and then I'll make the video about it, just walking through the code. But yeah, so it's just like a little. I got a couple like comments here and there of like people waiting for like new videos and stuff, and also like like the stream like one I did that was like an hour long where I got the thing loaded up. Yeah, like this one right here. Let's make a Gmod type of game. Yeah, so that series, I do really want to continue it. I got the plan. I got the plan set up for what I want to do in the next video. I was gonna make a little spawn menu. I was gonna do some stuff, just like. But the only thing is, every time I try and make it, I just get distracted by something, and like there's like a lot of people in my house, and they could just come in and start talking to me, and I can't just record like that. So I don't know if I like with the tutorial videos. I could make those like in little like 5 minute bursts, just record a little bit here and there, and it's not so bad. And what I usually do is I just edit out the sound, and of me talking. It's almost like I'm just talking to myself, so it doesn't matter if someone walks into my room and just starts talking to me. But in these like stream type of ones, I can't deal with that because the whole point of those is that I'm not editing much, like or at all. And yeah, if someone comes in, I want to cut that out because I want to get their voice like and just distract everyone. But yeah, and but the weapon select one, yeah. So I'm working on that. It's going pretty well. I got a bunch of textures from Kenny. That's what we use for tutorials because I don't feel like drawing a bunch of mountain stuff. Putting a bunch of assets in there because that's pretty much the most of the time of game development. I got these scripts. They're actually from my game. I haven't actually taken some of the stuff out yet. So yeah, that's how I'm just making sure that I could just put it on GitHub, someone can download it, and it just works. And these are just textures from Godot. I just really like using them just for like making bullshit maps like that. And I just took it out of the Godot map and just put geometry so that way you guys don't need to download all of Godot every time you want to download my project. But yeah, not that I don't want to credit Godot. That's why I'm like mentioning them here. But yeah, I'll mention them in the description of that video. But yeah, and also like I've been messing with the player script in this, and yeah, and also I just want to like go over my game and show you guys my game right now. I'm working on a huge project. Oh, whoops, that's not the right one. It's this one, I think. Yeah. So here's my main game, my main project. I got addicted to this for a while, and that's pretty much all I was doing. I think probably the screen right now isn't showing. There it is. Okay. So it's all gonna be live right now, and yeah. And while this is live, like it's only about 5 minutes long, but I bet you if I record for an hour, someone's gonna come in and mess it up. But yeah. So I got it to where like I'm gonna wait for it to load in. There it is. All right. Yeah. So like I got like a bunch of like uh, this is like kind of a work in progress, so everything still looks a little bit geometric. But I'm thinking over time I'll try and make it look more organic. And like the whole idea for the game is that you're stuck inside some like giant's body, and there's also it's a cyborg type of like the giant is a cyborg, and yeah, but yeah, so like there's a lot of like machinery going on too. As you can see, there's like a little tram station over there. And yeah, I just want to go over it with you guys. You could probably hear the game in the background playing on the TV. I'll turn it down so that way it's not annoying audio. So you'll still probably be able to hear a little bit, but it won't be overbearing to where you can't hear me while I'm playing. But yeah, and also I'll turn the game volume down because you probably can't hear me right now. I see, look, I got like a little options thing where you can like mess with the resolution. So I could change the resolution to full 1080. I can make it pixelated as all fuck. And I just need to make new fonts and stuff so that way like at different resolutions could be good. But I always like playing at 720p for some reason. It's a nice blend of retro and new. And I have VSync enabled because I know it's like, yeah, it goes like at 300 frames and it just starts overworking my computer. I just like it at 60. I'm a simple man. And these things don't work. I don't know what happened to that. But I also have where you can turn the global illumination off and on. have that where you can adjust FOV and stuff. Yeah, I'm quite proud of the options menu actually, and I also have it to where you can like change your crosshair too, and make it but whoa different sizes. This took a while. Like doing something like this takes about a week or so. I feel like I kind of suck when it comes to UI things. That's why it was also taking me a while to do that stream. But yeah, the whole reason I'm doing this is just to go over with you guys what I've been doing, what I've been working on, and yeah, I want to show you guys a little fight scene too. So let me see. It's a little laggy, and like boom, yeah. Oh man. Yeah, these are like some creatures. Look, they throw like little like their nails at you. It's like boom. I made up like a little calculation to where it automatically hits you every motherfucking time. Whoa! I'm dodging that shit. Whoa! Okay. Sorry, this isn't a very informative video. I'm just kind of showing what I've been working on, just as a little update. It's a little fun to do this actually sometimes, just to show you guys like maybe like a little let's play of my game. I don't know. And yeah, so there's like these are like what I call meat goblins. They could kill you really fast if you just stand in one spot. So that's the whole thing about the game is I want the player to constantly keep moving, like a Doom type of thing, you know. I mean, it even looks like Doom, like with the guns. That's what I'm going for, except for the melee weapons. That doesn't look like Doom. And yeah, the melee weapons are still a work in progress too. This is supposed to be like a mace type of thing. I haven't even like this was like a 3D model. Like these are like okay, so these are like 2D drawings, and this is like a 3D model. I just got tired of animating like 100,000 frames of freaking 2D animation. I'd rather just do it in 3D and then maybe just draw over it later if I feel like it. But yeah, but like as of now, you can tell it's not really completely finished. Feels like a lot of detail could be added to make it look like these, so that the art style could fit. And also these jumping platforms. This is what they look like in my game. You can actually press space, I figured out, and then it'll actually make you jump higher. But I'm actually just like, instead of trying to like fix that and like think of it as a bug, I just used it as a feature. You know, that's an old ass joke. And yeah, so that's probably all the game I just want to show you. Just kind of what I've been. Oh, also these heal you. Whoops. Also made a little command line thing. Look, no clip. No clip is on, and then now you could like go through things. And yeah, no clip. I like to have it off. And right here, these will heal you like little light balls, and also have ones that heal you incrementally. Oh shit, he was still alive. I didn't know that. But yeah, yeah. Sometimes they're idle and they might not. And they're not always facing the correct way. I think that was. I think that was actually working properly. Oh shit. Oh yeah, here's some like little spider monsters that shoot lasers out of their eyes. Hey, see, it does a lot of damage. So they're gonna be the damage enemies, but they die fast. And yeah, the meat goblins take a little bit longer to kill, but they don't do as much. And like the these guys will just be kind of like the easy enemies that you kind of kill fast, but they can hit you from very far. So if there's a lot of them, their damage does stack up. But yeah, okay. This is kind of what I've been working on, and I just kind of wanted to show you, just to show you guys what's been going on, so that way you guys don't think it's a dead channel. Okay, hope you guys all have a wonderful motherfucking day, and I hope this is informative. It wasn't very informative. I feel like I was just like letting you guys know my situation. I'm sorry that I'm rambling a bit. I had a little bit too much caffeine. So see you next time. Yeah, I'm about to make a tutorial probably within the next week or so. So I'll probably have all this done. It's already on the way of being done. I just really felt like talking right now. Just informing everyone what's going on before the next one. Alright, have a great day.